Hello, Internet. We are here once again at my favorite place in the whole world. And I just got done fixing my bike, trued up my rear wheel, and got it nice and straight again. Shout out to Park Tool there. But I have no plans for this session. I did, but I'm gonna wait for that for tomorrow. So now I think we're just gonna ride, have fun, see what happens. So let's go. I guess maybe I do have an idea of something I wanna do. I wanna do a 3 to Fuf on this lip. That's where I learned them, like 10 years ago, maybe more at this point, maybe less, I don't know. I want to do a 3 to Fuf. That's a fine tap. Okay, I don't know if those are quite 3 to Fuf. I need to slow down. I'm going to show you the difference between a 3 to Fuf and a Hurricane, because they look kind of similar, but they're actually kind of different, and doing them is great. And that was a Hurricane. The difference between them is that on the 3 to Fuf, you're literally doing a 360, kind of 270-ish, landing on back tire facing forward, and then 180ing out. A Hurricane, 540 Hurricane specifically, is a 180 to the back tire facing forward, then a 360 out to end up forward again. I'm kind of stoked that I did those back to back like that. Just kidding, I didn't do them back to back. The 3 to Fuf was a 3 to under coping tire tap. So we got to do that again. But I think I'm going to do a different camera angle and try and get them both in a row like that again. This is kind of a cool comparison between the two of them. Let's hope that first 3 to Fuf was on it this time. So this time the 3 to Fuf was good, but the Hurricane was on top a little. I don't want to be a perfectionist about it, but I kind of want to be a perfectionist about it. So whatever, I'm going to do it again. If it isn't one thing, it's the other. 3 to Fuf was once again not on coping. Or not on the edge. I'm just gonna go until I get it. I think that might have been the one. You wouldn't be able to see it, but I did a fakie crank flip out of the Habubica candy bar too. All right, I'm gonna call that good enough. The 5 tap at the end was bad, but you know what? I don't care. Spent enough time on this. 3 to Fuf was about as good as I can do it without doing a like full out 360 into it. So yeah, pretty stoked, I guess. Next, I don't know what's next. The sun is real though. I had an idea for something I've never done here before, and I think it might actually be possible to do an ice pick stall here, hop up to a Habubica here, spin fakie into that bank. I got a perfect way to film it, so I'm gonna try it here. Yeah, I'm stoked for this idea. Ice to a Habubica, 90 to fakie in. I like that. Oh God. Should probably add to the ice, huh? I gotta check the angle though. That's a bit tighter than I thought. I'm just gonna pull it once without anything, and then I'm gonna do a candy bar ice into it. Oh, come on. That was the one right there. go right now. No cuts, no going out of frame, just gonna pull it. No Chris Angel mind freak business. I don't know what's wrong. Why it's taking so many tries. If I was doing this just on a quarter pipe, I'd pull it first or second try, and I will after this. Damn it. Finally, all right, no cuts. No Chris Angel mind freak business. We're gonna take this straight to the quarter pipe and do it first or second try. And if not, I'm gonna retire. Here we go. Change of scenery, it's shaded over here, but this is it. Set it up on the rail.
Hold on, stop this, man. I don't know what I'm thinking about.
No cuts. Hopefully the angle holds up. Here we go. Oh my God. Okay, so it was third try. I lied. Still, third try versus freaking 300 over there. I mean, at least it felt kind of cool. All right, I don't know what's left, but I need a break. And on that note, we're gonna call this one a lot of random stuff in here, but I had fun doing it even if they were super challenging. And I hope that you had fun watching it. So if you did and you're new here or you haven't yet, consider hitting the subscribe button down below so we can see you tomorrow at 3:30 for another one. I upload every single day. Hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks for watching and goodbye.